When you were born, you did not know how to walk. You bumped, you fell, you got confused. What if a car could learn in same way? This tiny robot has no map, no GPS, no instructions, only a camera and a simple sensor and a very basic goal: find a way out without getting stuck. At first, it behaves exactly like you would expect, bumping into walls, spinning in circles, looking but not really seeing. But hidden inside is a brain growing. Every crash, every wrong turn, every hesitation is fuel. In fact, this robot is doing something called Q learning, a simple but powerful way of learning from experience. Now watch closely. See how it slows down near walls. See that tiny steering adjustment? That's not random anymore. That is knowledge. Hard-won knowledge. It's not perfect. It still hesitates. It still makes mistake. But so did you once. Learning is messy, but learning is how anything becomes possible. And next time, maybe we'll give it more senses. Thanks for watching.